Hi guys, Greg here for EV's Plunders and Finds, or my Plunders and Finds, or Kathy's Plunders and Finds, whatever. We are going to commence the unboxing of the Dust Bowl unit, as we were calling it, because this thing had at least a quarter-inch of dust on everything when we got it. So there's some stuff here that hasn't been touched in a while. We went through a couple things off camera. I know, not supposed to do that, but I got curious and didn't feel like getting dressed. So, that being said, there's just a couple things I want to show you real quick that we found in the earlier boxes. First is these. These are vintage aviator glasses, probably Bausch & Lomb with the green lenses. This does have like a little scratch on the lens, and we have not found a case. Comparables on eBay are all over the map, but these are going to be worth at least $60, and if we can find a case, possibly upwards of $200 or more. So, nice find. This box is basically what we found. Other than that, I don't know if you know what that is, but it's a clip from a gun magazine. Time Life books, I remember when they came out for the old, and this is the Old West Gunfighters book. It's seen better days. It's falling apart, but I like it. I may keep it just because I like it. And then we have a whole mess of personal paperwork, which we have not properly gone through yet. So
it's empty, isn't it?
Yep. More paperwork, pictures, a map of Georgia, Florida Scenic Trail, bunch of pamphlets and brochures for travel. This is the guy's discharge papers. Dated, what is the date? 1940?
46, I believe.
1946. So we're looking at...
I think. Go ahead and look at it. I won't show it.
Honorable discharge. 5th of January, 1946 at Fort Meade. So, these are the discharge papers for one of the people that had this unit. The story on this unit, the lady that had the unit passed away. They contacted her family. They wanted nothing to do with the unit. So, as time passed, no payments were made. It came up for auction. We considered trying to get some of this stuff back to the family, but seeing as they wanted nothing to do with it, they had to know what some of the stuff was that was in there. That was envelopes, by the way. More personal stuff. Sorry, tangent. They had to know what some of the stuff was in here, and if they didn't care enough about it to want it, we don't know what we're going to do with it, but I want to show you some of this stuff. Boys, Bears, and Friends stationery. Not a creature was stirring. Alright. This is Hollywood Polo. Oh,
It's a slider.
I know it's a slider, but why can't I slide it?
See the little thing there, the half moon? Pull down.
Yes, Greg. Be smarter than the box.
And Mouse wants to see.
Mouse, you think you can get into it? I can't see it.
You want me to try?
No.
Don't pull up. You gotta push down.
Well, it's not. There we go. All right. So
I forgot what was in that.
this is a medal set for Vietnam service. Medal set, good conduct, Army, regular size. So, but what's in it appears to be.
You can show that. I can't get closer.
What's in it appears to be maybe silver dollars.
Flip it up. There you go. What's on the other side, though?
There's two of them there. Let's see. This actually seems to have in it what it says. So, military medals and some possible silver dollars, which I think I'm going to set aside to look at when we're done.
Just them or all of it?
No, just the silver dollars. So, oh, derp. I am not smarter than a box. So, set it over here. This is grandmother's or special tin.
Nope. Okay.
In it are medals. Army medals. If you want to see them laid out, leave me a comment. I'll lay them out and take a picture. We have a lot of patches. Military. And we've got some cables. Audio video cables. This is Bradford Exchange stuff. There's nothing in it. This is more of the military buttons.
Yeah, and metal.
And medals.
And metals.
And we have a Giovanni watch. It feels cheap. Probably is. We're gonna set these over here for now. And we got another watch. It's got Milan. Again, it feels kind of cheap. Maybe it's not. Cassette tape, homemade, Clarence Carter. Little card carrier, I imagine. Oh, actually, no, it's a badge holder. Like a cop would carry. That's interesting. Loretta and Conway, That's old school.
What's the J off of here?
Couple pens. Ooh. It is a girl in a bikini lighter, I believe. Butane lighter. I have to look that up. I have to put that there with the stuff to look up.
But it's in a...
Staples.
What's interesting is the shape of this is like a spaceship.
Yeah. I got a pair of some kind of clippers of some kind. Here's another lighter. It's got a compass on it.
They're not gonna work. Give me the lighter. The lighter.
Put it with the other one because I want to look it up.
I know, but I'm showing
Okay.
the compass.
This is another military pin. Brave Rifles 3.
Just showed those clippers.
More of the military regalia, insignia stuff. More cables. Keys. Anybody need a key? We might have a key. Ironic thing is we have not found nothing that requires a key in this bin. Nails. Part of a staple gun.
Which we sold.
Part of another staple gun.
I bet they go to those two we sold. Or we got rid of.
A really cool belt buckle.
Freedom. Freedom? No.
Forgotten Hero.
Forgotten Heroes.
Vietnam vet.
Up at the top.
It just makes me feel a little weird. Extension. Antenna. Another antenna.
Sorry, folks.
Keychain for Phil, which is the guy's name. Deck of cards. Some more magazines, books, and pens. Nothing else really of interest. Except for maybe these.
Oh, there's the three of them.
And then a really nice piece of quartz. I imagine if you polished it up would be really nice. So, all that being said, it's all going back in the box. So, pause it, Kathy. Please.
You ready?
Okay.
Oops. You ready? Okay, it's on.
Okay, guys, back. Not sure what we got here. Possibly a tent.
That's the pegs. Or the poles. I think those are the pegs.
Well,
Find out.
this is not pegs. More keys. I think this might be like a raincoat parka thing. I'm not taking it out. It says BSA Best. Is that? Doesn't
Boy
look like
Scouts of America.
Is that a Boy Scouts logo?
Not sure. Oh,
Alright.
not
So,
sure if we had that.
now this feels like pegs. So I'm gonna leave that stuff in there.
Sorry, folks. Keep moving the camera.
It's a comforter or a quilt or something. And then there's this, which I am assuming is probably the tent part of the tent. So,
Is there anything else in that?
nothing else in this bag. Oh, wait. Except a spoon. And,
More of that stuff we found.
a napkin. So, alright, I'm not gonna put that back in.
Pause it. Want me to pause it?
No, just hang on. Just put this here.
Because that tent probably belongs in that bag.
And I'll set this aside. Ouch. Alright, another bag.
That has a thing on the front top.
There's got a hole in it.
No, is there a compartment on the front?
I don't see a compartment.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Here's
Oh, the compartment's on the front
Yeah, I
side
had my hand in
towards
it.
you. Yeah, it's not a hole, it's a compartment.
Oh my.
Okay, so he unvelcroed the end.
Glue gun. Hot glue gun.
Okay, you keep putting it higher than... Alright, I'm just going to
Easy,
watch
bud.
through the lens then, because otherwise
Oh,
I...
what the devil? Vintage cell phone.
Bag phone.
Oh.
Oh my word, or is it a walkie-talkie?
No, it's a bag phone. That's what you call vintage right there, boys.
Oh, we'll definitely be looking that up. Hopefully
Yeah.
somebody wants...
It's an audio fox. This box could be fun. Or bag.
And it's even in the box. Mouse, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, audio box, cellular. So, in the box, no less. Okay. What
Can you
else?
open it up more, or is that
No,
just
that's
that
kind of
end?
it. Wheelchair leg rest. Is that one you found separate, just shoved in a bag?
Maybe. Because I know I did find one that was separate. And you know I was shoving stuff in bags. So.
Okay, we have a t-shirt. All-American Star. Duffel bag with a zipper.
Duffel bag with a zipper.
Yeah. Don't know. Possibly another tent or raincoat.
It's too big for a raincoat.
Not for me.
Want me to hold?
Yeah, this has got to be a tent of some kind. So, set it
It's,
aside.
what? Maybe this goes in that bag you just had.
Ooh. Vintage Levi shorts. in good shape except for worn. Worn out like people like them. So we'll see what we can do. Crotch is in good shape. Okay, pair of,
Well, you got one.
yeah, one sandal.
There's a logo on this by your thumb.
Ocean Pacific. Plain gray t-shirt with pocket. Pair of jeans that
Seen better days.
here's another sandal. Back trail.
Sit down.
A bag.
Sit down.
Water safety. Alright.
There's the other Ocean
The
Pacific.
other Ocean Pacific and Laguna sandals.
He's after those.
Back
Mouse.
off, bud. Pair of gloves.
You gonna?
Mouse. Mouse. No. Get.
Is that a pen lines?
No. Carolina country.
Oh.
Abby's trash. Socks. Done up, but still, we don't keep socks.
Mouse, come up here. Come on. Get up here.
Crab mallet. We'll keep. I believe this might be the controls for a electric blanket, but there is no electric blanket right here anyway.
We found one time.
And then the rest is basically poles for the tent, except for these. I don't know what these are. Nunchucks.
I don't know. We can't see because you keep moving them.
They're sticky.
Show
So
the connection. Okay.
that being, yeah, the rest of this is just that tent. So the poles and stuff for the tent. So
So that's
pause.
3, 10.
Oh, we're on. All right, guys. Bum bum bum.
Coleman cooler
Coleman cooler, but it's cracked.
on wheels.
It's got a crack here on the back. But don't we all? Anyway, so what wonders await?
Go
One,
for it.
2, 734, 3. Extension cords.
How many?
Well,
Or is it all one?
one that's not much good because the end is gone. Another one that's like really long, but it does have both ends. Another one that is seen better days. And that's it for the extension cords. We got some stop leak.
which is leaking. Do we have a trash bag we can put that
Nah, I
into?
don't know. Castrol motor oil,
Here, if you want
which is leaking.
to put them on that.
Medicine jar full of tools, nails, screws, etc. And I can't get that back in, so oops. Alright, I'm just gonna set that up here in the corner. This thing, which appears to be a scraper of some kind.
Well, push it, show it this way. All I can see is your hand.
It's rusty as heck. So the scraper, I believe, spins out. But I will have to WD-40 it to make it work if I bother. Gardening tool.
Trowel.
Hack saw.
Can you do it like right in front of the, yeah. Yes.
It's a hacksaw.
Okay.
So where was my director during the first part of the video? It's a pipe. And a good kind. Ow! I just dropped that on my foot.
Well, you're supposed to put it on the orange cords.
Shims.
Okay.
Scrub brush. Another gardening shovel trowel thing.
This stuff don't go up here.
Some string. Probably for like laying out a foundation or something.
Ice pick?
Ice pick.
Not an awl. It's an ice pick.
Oh. Rubber mallet.
We need one of those.
Bottle of mystery stuff. My guess is it's Armor All. At least that's what the bottle looks like. Oh my.
Wet?
Not this. Little tool set.
Okay.
That does have some spillage on it.
Ew. Well, here. Might as well sorta. You gotta clean everything else?
Yeah, there's quite a bit of that stop leak crap in here. Unfortunately, something I see in here may be ruined.
And there's some right there. Not that. On the thing. Yeah, on the red.
Alright. Another hammer.
Well, considering we just sold a bunch of them. I think we sold some of the ones we
Funnel.
had.
Flashlight. If it worked before, it doesn't now, because it was on.
Is there batteries in it?
Felt like it. A circular saw blade. A triangle square.
Mm-hmm.
Socket. Craftsman. Spark plug holder. Spark plug. Ratchet. Another pipe. Two screwdrivers. if I seem a little upset, I am, because CB radio in the bottom. It's got schmutz on the bottom. So we'll have to see if it works. Got the mic.
Oh.
So I'll have to figure out a way to hook this up and see if it works. This thing is soaked. Yeah, I know I should be wearing gloves. But at this point, it's, ouch. I keep dropping stuff on my foot. Another screwdriver. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to clean up a little bit as I go. You know what? Roll of electrical tape.
Well, here, just show them. Ooh, what a mess.
There's a wrench and a couple of box cutters. And the cooler will clean, everything will clean. The biggest concern I've got is whether the CB radio is gonna work. Oh. Did you just wipe the lens with the grease? Okay.
No, you touched these all greasy.
Okay, so pause it. Actually, I think that's gonna be it for this unboxing. We're a little over a half an hour, and we obviously have some cleaning to do. So, thanks for watching. This was the Dust Bowl Unit A8 number 1. There's more military stuff that we unboxed earlier that we don't have for you. I'll show that to you in the next video. So, that's it for today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications if you feel like it. Really, please, I'm gonna beg you to please comment and let me know how I'm doing. If I'm doing crappy, be honest. If you're a troll and I don't recognize your name and you tell me I'm being crappy, thanks for telling me. I don't care. Basically, I want to know how I'm doing from people that I trust. And so all that being said, that's enough for today. We got a mess to clean up. So have a good one. Catch you later.